In this video, we are showing how to properly replace a dryer vent on a shingle roof. The vent that we are removing is a standard 4-inch gooseneck vent. Though these models come with a screen, they are recommended to be used without it when above a dryer so that lint and other debris does not attach to the mesh and prevent airflow. Traditionally, these are cleaned and maintained by using a blower to clear the line from the inside of the property and are also cleaned by hand at the roof level. The replacement product is a Lifetime Tool bath dryer vent. These vents are built with a removable hood for ease of cleaning and maintenance. As you can see here, the cap is dual layered with a galvanized Kynar top and a high temperature rated polymer subcap. The gold colored damper below prevents animals, bugs, and moisture from entering your property and can be removed for cleaning as well. When all maintenance has been performed, the cap can be reinstalled again by placing 2 screws back into the wall of the device.
Now let's get up on the roof and replace the vent. Our tech starts the job by loosening the nails and removing the surrounding shingles. Once the shingles around the vent have been pulled from the roof, the vent itself is unattached from the decking and the pipe below. This is what the vent looks like once it's been removed. As you can see, there's a buildup of lint and debris on the inside of the pipe, as well as the walls of the hood itself. Next, our techs remove any remaining stained or torn shingles from the area to ensure that the entire repair leaves a completely new portion of roof behind. The pipe is cleaned by hand and blown out from the inside if the homeowner or property manager allows before the new vent is attached. A layer of ice and water shield or IsoGuard is applied at the base of the roof penetration and cut to surround the pipe on all sides. Shingles are cut and installed to fit snugly along the base of the pipe. It is important here to get as close of a cut as you can to ensure that the shingles line up properly and the pipe is not left with a gap surrounding the opening. Tar is placed at the base of the plate to help create a watertight seal on the shingles, and then the connector will be attached to the pipe through the roof. For more secure hold on loose pipes, a screw is placed in the side of the drop connector. Once it has been placed onto the roof, strips of ice and water shield are laid on the top and side edges of the plate for another layer of water protection. Nails or screws are also driven through the plate into the decking to ensure the vent will not move due to heavy winds or storms. At this point, all remaining missing shingles are replaced and tar is laid to seal off nail holes. Paint and other final touches are applied to complete the look of the new installment.